Hi, we're here today at Four Winds, New Buffalo, Michigan. We're on the 8th floor. There's 9 floors here. Four Winds Casino Resort in a junior suite. You have a nice sitting room. This is my favorite room at Four Winds. I've had bigger suites and I still like this room a lot. You have a nice sitting area, nice bar over here. Granite countertops, king size bed. We're here in the winter, overlooking the pool. Been here, I come here every summer a few times at least. There's the casino over there. There's a nice restaurant right there. There's a pool bar down there in the summer. It's great. Beautiful wooded property. The lake's right over there. It's has a big beach, really beautiful in the summer. But I love it here all year round. You have 2 TVs, closet, huge bathroom, 2 sinks, jacuzzi tub, great shower with 2 shower heads. It's really, really, really nice. So if you're looking to stay in Michigan, this is near outside of Chicago, about an hour away, 2 hours from Indy. I'm from Indy, and it's real easy to get up here. If you're looking to stay in New Buffalo, Michigan, looking for a great casino resort, I highly recommend Four Winds Casino. Ask for a junior suite overlooking the pool or the woods in the newer tower. We're on the 8th floor. I highly recommend. Thank you for visiting.